program this evening. Mufti Ismail Basa, Jamiat KZN, answering our questions on Q&A. Mufti Sahab, two questions coming through. The first one says, if I did not keep fasts at all in the past, do I have to keep 60 fasts for each of the fasts that I missed, or each Ramadan missed? How do I make up for it, Mufti Sahab?
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Nahmadu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem, amma ba'd. There's a big difference between missing a fast and between breaking a fast. In regards to missing a fast, that is the fast of Ramadan, it means a person did not make an intention or confirm an intention to keep the fast of Ramadan. Whether it was one fast, two fasts, or three fasts, no intention was made during the time frame allowed or permitted to make the intention to fast. So there was no intention to fast whatsoever. In that case, if during the day a person had eaten, a person drank, etc., it would not be considered breaking of the fast because there was no intention to fast for that day or for those days. After the month of Ramadan, it would be necessary for a person to make qaza of the missed fast. Now, in regards to breaking fast, it means that a person made an intention at the time of Sahri or the time permitted to make the intention to fast. The intention of fasting was made, and thereafter, during the day or during the fast, he or she broke the fast by either eating or drinking, etc. In that case, if it was done intentionally, there was no valid excuse, etc. After the month of Ramadan, a person must make qaza of the broken fast, number one. And number two, a person must keep 60 fasts consecutively if he or she is able to do so. So the big difference between missing a fast and breaking a fast is that in the case of missing a fast, no intention was made from the start of the fast. But in the case of the fast breaking, an intention was made and then it was broke intentionally. In that case, there is a qaza plus there is a kafara of keeping 60 fasts consecutively.
Jazakallah khair, Mufti Sahab. Quite interesting indeed. Another question coming through, Mufti Sahab. I have acid reflux quite often during Ramadan. While fasting today, it already came up my throat twice. Will my fast be accepted?
An acid reflux occurs when the contents of the stomach travels back up to the esophagus, into the throat, and even into the mouth. So this happens unintentionally, this happens involuntarily. When this occurs, then the contents that reaches the mouth, if it is swallowed unintentionally or involuntarily, it does not break the fast. But once it reaches the mouth and then it is swallowed intentionally, the fast would be broken. So one must make sure that when an acid reflux occurs and the contents comes into the mouth, it must not be swallowed intentionally. Yes, if it goes down the throat again, unintentionally, involuntary, it will not break the fast.